Hello, folks. Hello, my name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and in this video, I am going to answer the question, why is Micron investing $600 million in a Chinese factory despite the Beijing chip ban? Why are they doing that? Well, good question. First, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this video. Okay, so good question. The answer is Micron's decision to invest over $600 million in its factory in China, despite the Beijing chip ban, reflects the company's unwavering commitment to its China business and team. Despite being barred from supplying critical infrastructure, operators in China, due to alleged network security risks, Micron aims to upgrade its chip packaging and testing equipment at the factory. The investment demonstrates Micron's determination to maintain its presence in China, even as Chinese consumer electronic groups make plans to replace the company's memory chips. If you're trying to figure out how to profit from this, a good starting point would be to get more education. If you would like to learn more about investing and other related topics, just go to my website, www.benjaminzmiller.com. Just go to www.benjaminzmiller.com and fill out the contact form. We love to hear from new people. Just send us a message. We can get you an invitation to our completely free educational events based on what you're interested in. Take action and register today for a better future. Or if it's easier for you, go to LinkedIn or meetup.com and do a search for Benjamin Z. Miller. You can find me there. You can join some of the groups. You can start going to some of the weekly meetings. They're all free. If you learned something from this video, maybe share it with your friends. You might be able to help them also. I hope that helps, and good luck with your investing.